So this first exercise, there are 4 parts to it. And it's going to be a combination of using your dominant and non-dominant hand. Okay, so what I'm going to want you to do is, first off, you're going to take your dominant hand and you're going to make 10 lines. Okay. So I'm going to start doing a couple. You guys can jump in anytime you want, but basically I'm going to take a nice deep breath in. And then on my exhale, I'm going to allow myself to draw a line. As you're doing this, when you're done, definitely look up. That'll give me a little bit of a cue that you guys are all set. And while you're doing this, think about kind of how you can maybe move your entire arm. And also just kind of notice if you're always making your lines in one direction. Like if you're always going from left to right, maybe you try going from right to left. Or if you always tend to move from the top to the bottom, see what it feels like to make that same motion, but move from the bottom to the top. Okay, how are people doing? Okay, cool. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take it up a notch. Non-dominant hand, okay? We're gonna do the same thing. Okay, so we're gonna start and take a nice deep breath in, and then your out breath, draw your lines. How's everyone doing? Okay, people are going. Okay. So the next thing we're gonna do is go back to your dominant hand. And you're gonna practice making kind of 5 roundish, ovalish shapes, right? Like don't worry about being like super precise and consistent. It's like a circle. Just let your hand kind of move. And similar to when you were drawing the straight lines, notice kind of how your body and your hand kind of start drawing that circle to begin with. If you don't make it all the way around, you might have to do 2 breaths or 3 breaths to finish your circle, depending on how big you go.